Hi, how are you? You can see a triangular shape frame here. So you can see some outlines here within the. You can see this is a wooden board, so wood canvas. I just painted a white color on top of it. So within the texture of the, the painting area, just put the outlines, the brush strokes. Okay. So the trees here is going to be a little bit inclined. Mhm. And another one here, you can see. Okay. Putting the branches like these types of outlines, you can see. Mhm. Okay. Drawing some other branches. Okay. And for the leaves on the top of the tree, just to draw some colors with the strokes of the, you can see, I'm using right now. Mhm. Sometimes you can have the rough surface, so you have to add the water to mix up the drawing within the whole canvas. So lots of tree you can see here within the leaves. Mhm. Okay, and you can see the grasses at the bottom. Grasses. Just few grasses within the tree. Okay. As it's inclined, so you can just put the trunk little bit broader. Mhm. And drawing other leaves like this one. Okay. Sorry. So there's the extensions of the branches from the main trunk. Mhm. All right. So two trees, which is a very bigger, and for the adjacent water body, you have to take the blue color. I'm just doing few details on the tree leaves on the top. So few places you have seen those are remained white. Mm-hmm. All right. So adding the brush strokes very lightly and softly all over the body of the tree, and you can see. Okay. Now you can take the blue color to draw the water at the bottom of the trees. Let's take the blue color, very soft and light color, and putting it here. Mhm. Okay. So few strokes of the blue, and you can see the scenery is done. I'm taking few darker strokes of the blue to define the water. Mhm. All right. And little bit white area, just putting up, you know, the partial colors of the blue. Okay. And we are just going to put a strong outline. This is the separation point. Mhm. and putting the the few brush strokes to specially define the separation points very clearly, so that you can understand where the water ends and when the sky starts. All right, so very simple and easy drawing. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with the channel. Have a good day.